So another way to make any Pilates class more challenging is to add a layer of resistance. Now you can add resistance in any number of ways. You can either add something tactile like a prop, like a magic circle or a TheraBand or something like that, or you can use your imagination. Either works. You can also use another person if you have someone nearby. You can also use your imagination to create resistance, imagining that you're holding onto a magic circle or a yoga block or whatever it is. No matter what method you choose to use, whether you use props or your imagination, adding the layer of resistance to every single exercise throughout a Pilates class will definitely make it more challenging.